have this fusion thing. We have the movement implemented, so let's move on the camera. Jumping, yeah, we got it yesterday. So the main thing that was missing the gameplay was this part of code. I was using time to delta time instead of delta time, which is basically the same thing, but for fusion we have to use this one. Jumping is done. Playtesting this we don't have to do this one. For camera setup, we have a camera, third person, first person. Yeah, I know this. When the quick response sensitive camera, have the camera run the scene. Yeah, I guess. Okay, this is fine. So basically this thing, let me try for this. Let's adjust this a bit. Far, far, bit higher, and let's rotate it a bit down, like this. Let's check it. If we try this. But that this camera is first camera because yeah, they have this. So for now, don't have hands, don't have a gun. So this is gonna we have first person.
Hello, 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 hello. This one. Hello, 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 hello. Yay, buddy. Yo, you guys can hear me now, right? Hello, hello. Yay, buddy. Yo, you guys can hear me now, right? Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay. So this one, let me check if this camera system is working. It should work. Okay, let's have one client here, one client here. So we have this one, we can move. We have another guy, but oh, this thing is moving. Wait a second, wait a second. Something is happening. Something is wrong, I guess. No, 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 no. I think something is wrong. Are they reversed? I don't think this is the way for when I'm moving in this, I can see movement on this, and when I move with this thing moves, but the camera is of the other one. Why is this thing reversed? I think this thing got reversed. I don't know why, but it should not be like this, but I'm able to move this one, but the camera is of the other one. And for this, I this thing is not gonna work, I guess. So let's use this. Let's go with this option, bro. But in game netcode I thought that method worked, but in Unity Fusion I think this is not gonna work. So for this, let me ask ChatGPT, why is this thing not working? By using much of the breaks in Fusion and net cover, the camera can measure the view and actively look away with start of the person the network will respond on all clients child like and every client including remote play because multiple active camera the camera fall in the wrong place. Yeah, I got this specific issue, the wrong position. This to spawn the camera locally only for the local player. Prepare and send the separate camera preserve and create it via script. No, I'm gonna follow this one. What does this one say? There are many ways. Have the camera as part of the scene, but when the local player gets spawned, have it attach the camera to itself. So basically, we can have the camera attached to the local player, but I'm confused that if we have a camera and a player gets that camera, and if we join from a new device as a new client, then the camera is already in use. So how the hell is the next player gonna use the camera? But I think I'm wrong, because this thing should okay, first person camera, create a script and add the following code to it. What are we doing? We have a transform for the target, I guess, to stick with it, sensitivity, so we can watch around freely. Yes, for rotation, and this for position we have this is a very simple for showing, and I note that they put in multiple elements. So I think I had a really good camera setup on my previous game, so I can use that setup, I guess. So let me check. Where did I had it somewhere. 2025 did I actually move that? I think I got it out from I have this is the build. I think I removed it from my PC project file. I got it from my SSD, so I think I need to access it through SSD, or I might have some copies of it. Let me check. Challenger Blender, and I think I don't have it. Builds, do I have it inside PC? Let me get that from my SSD. It's gonna take some time, not a lot of time, but what the hell.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free.
Why is this thing not working? Dude, so many SSD, bro. I need it right now. Wow. Now this thing is crashing. What the hell? What the hell happened right now, guys? Where is my Windows? Where is my... Oh, I got it back. But why is this thing not showing? This thing should have shown. Let me change the... Oh, now it is... Oof. It did appear for a second. Damn, yeah, this thing is a real mess. Okay, I got this. I add it in this. Finalize the DC. I will be needing this design. I'm doing a lot of things from here. I have everything working kind of for this game. So I will just be using it from this. So let me get the scripts. else landed right now. I think it's better if I copy this photo. Let's copy this photo. Scripts. Let me check the stream while this thing gets copied. This is gonna take a lot of time, guys. But for right now, I don't think we need this. Let's cancel this. We're done with this. Only this thing is gonna be enough for now. For later stream, I will get it copied before I start the stream. So for now we are just gonna make a simple camera setup, and that's gonna be it. So where's the music? Why am I not hearing this music? The audio I can give it as this. Yo, I think this is perfect for now. So basically what kind of camera I had in this was not the jump, the zoom. I had the zoom function as well. Wow, I don't think I had this camera on this script, so there was a different script, I guess. Let's leave this. Let's go with the manual. Let's go with the camera that the manual provided us. What the hell? I closed the Unity, I guess. Let's copy this. I have a first person camera. Okay. Let's get a script. Name it as first person camera. Let's open this script. And paste all of this. We have a target, we have the mouse sensitivity that we can change, we have the vertical rotation and horizontal rotation. I think this is the amount by how much we can rotate the camera. So but where are the values? So where are we putting these values for this rotation values? Vertical rotation, but we are not defining any values. No, mouse X. We have it with this. So we have basically we have for rotation we are getting the axis from our mouse input. Like if we are moving our mouse, then it's gonna get inside this variable, and using this variable we are changing the vertical rotation, multiplying it with mouse sensitivity, so we can change the sensitivity and we will be able to change the speed or the amount by which the mouse view can be rotated or it can be viewed. So this is good. So what else we gotta do? Okay, add the code to it. And this is a very simple first person camera evidence. Note that the code does not contain the multiple element. Yeah, this I know. Behavior in the main camera. So this in the main camera we have to do this. To assign the open the player movement script, add a variable. Assign the target, open the player movement script, add a variable to store the camera. Okay. First we have this camera and we won't be needing this one, so we can just remove this. Let's save this. And for our main camera we have to attach the script that we created. It was first person camera. For target it will be assigned in runtime. I guess it was mentioned here, so we don't have to worry about it. But for our player movement script we have to create a variable. Higher senior member camera, this one. Let's name it as target. Then when the player object is spawned, find and set up the camera if it is the local player. So on spawned, I think we have this function called spawned. I think we had this update fixed. No, we don't have. We had it on a different script. Yeah, we had it here. Spawn something. No, we don't have it. I guess I'm tripping right now. Okay, after awake we'll get not this. What was the method? Override. And this on spawn we had similar kind of override function. Fixed update we had this thing on this, so I got confused for it. And on spawned what we gotta do if it has the authority. So basically this thing, the authority thing is that if so basically we are gonna have a bunch of players in a scene, so every player is authoritative to its component. So if I have authority to something in my code, so then if I change something for that piece of code, then the the rest of the members won't be able to change. I don't think I don't think I said it correctly, but you guys will understand when we will try this. Let's copy and paste this code. Camera, this we have target, we have it as target now. And for target then we have this the transform. Is this enough? Next it is spawned instead of object state, while instead of network object it's only true. Okay, has state authority is only true for objects the player controls, so the local player object and not the other player object. Oh, okay. Finally, since in first person game the player character moves in the loop direction, adjust the movement a bit, replace the line where the vector 3 gets calculated a bit. What the hell? We didn't use this part of the code, we had our own code, so part changes did this. So camera rotation, this just added this thing. Two of these things were added, I guess. But for our movement we have we don't have camera rotation, so let's check, and after that we'll make changes to it. Okay, we should get the target initialized once the player gets. Okay, we have this thing. So basically we can move right now. Oh, okay. The thing that was mentioned was only the camera is moving, but our player is not rotating to it. So if we move forward, so basically when we change our camera views, when we look back, the player should also be looking back, but in our case the player is still looking front, only the camera has changed. So if when we press the forward key, the player will move forward to its direction, but what should be done was it should move forward to the camera's direction. So I think that is the case. Okay, we can confirm it with this. Okay, our camera is moving this side, and we have, if I move it here, what the fuck, I think that's the case. Okay, oh yeah, this thing, we will get this one for movement input. We have this one, right? So let's take this camera thing right here, camera and target, we transform the rotation, and with this move direction, inside of move we are using move is equals to, we just multiply it with this now. In vector 3 we don't have any, we don't need any of this. No, we can't do this, this is not the way, we have to change it somewhere else. In the move direction for x, for move direction for x, yeah, I think this, into current input plus this plus this plus this. For y we have this, simply for x, forward multiplied by current input of x. I think we can do this here. No, not this, it says we have to paste this part of it before this. Now what the hell, can we apply vector 3 quaternion? Fuck you. Vector 3 dot right, it multiplied by vector 3 dot forward multiplied by, what the hell, man, I am so bad at this. I'll ask ChatGPT instead. Down, which is good. Okay, stop it. I need but the movement calculated like in this will have the rotated imputation, not the transformed rotation. How I can also apply. This thing is same, this thing is also same, this thing is also same. it create input direction for camera relative forward and right. Oh, okay. Forward, right in direction we have to do this, and after that we can do this. Okay. I think I got it. Basically, I haven't got it, but I think I got it. Let's copy all of this. Raw input, no speed applies here. Get input direction from camera relative forward. Oh, we basically the thing that got changed was this part, but what exactly got changed? So I gotta ask this. Separate input and speed. Before I had the speed into vertical, speed into horizontal, but now we have to do vertical and horizontal for the best approach. I have this side. Now we have to do forward to do conversion of y into okay. Let's check if we fix this. We can move forward. If I rotate this side, I can move forward. If I rotate this side, I can move forward. Okay, this thing works. Jump, I can jump. Okay, now the movement and the controls are fixed. Pick up this thing done, which is pretty cool, I guess. Camera part is done. Now let's try it for 2 game objects. Let's try it for 2 clients. Let's get a client. I can see this guy. Yo, buddy. I can move. And for here, I can see this guy as well. Yeah, I can't. I can control 2 guys. So this is perfect. I think the mouse sensitivity is a bit high, so I should decrease it a bit. Maybe a 7 is gonna be perfect. The best thing about this shared system is a player can exit and enter the lobby, and the other members will still be there, which is different from a host client system, because in a host client system, if the host gets out of the lobby or closes the game, then the whole server is gonna collapse and the lobby is gonna get down. So this thing is good if there's gonna be players coming in and going out. The game is gonna run anyways, and the players can hop in during the middle of the session. They can play for a bit and they can exit the game. So this is good. and Fusion provides a really good way to implement this. We don't have to do any kind of extra code or anything. The Fusion setup has already set it up for us, so this is good. Now I don't need this now. So we have our camera set up, we have movement going. So for next, I think I had a head bob, something handle head bob. We can implement that after we add hands. Is this is, this is Avengers music, I guess, right? Oh, yeah. This is a non-copyrighted music used by Avengers. Not table. Now it's time for me to have lunch, so I'm gonna stop the stream, and after this stream we're gonna implement hands to it and pistol to it, which I already have, but it's gonna take a lot of time to animate. I have animations as well, I have everything set up, but it's like switching from a project to a different project. So I have it on a different project, I need to get all of it to this, which is going to be tough, and that one was for single player and this one is going to be for multiplayer, so I will be facing some problems while bringing that stuff to this project, but it's going to be fun. Okay guys, see you, bye bye.